Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel and Cuber here. In this video I teaching how to solve this cube easily. I teaching with 10 videos. I play 10 video of playlist to teaching how to solve this cube easily. Firstly, in this video, this is an introduction video. I teaching solve beginner to fast, how to solve from beginner to fast. Firstly, I teaching almost to basic. What is first layer, what is second layer, what is third layer, what is dot, what is anything. And I teaching intuitively method means I teaching without any algorithms. So let's begin start. Firstly, this is a called Rubik's cube. This is a first layer of this cube. This is a middle layer or second layer, and that is third layer of your cube. And main important thing, when you rotate this side and rotate this side or this, you notice every move but centerpiece can't move. Firstly you know your centerpiece neither move. This is stable, and I teach how to solve. Firstly I teach what is this cube. This is called you centerpiece, means corner piece. This is a corner piece. This is a corner piece. They are broken. That is corner piece. If you know reasoning, that you know every cube have 8 corner. If they are 4 by 4 like this, that 8 corner piece 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 8. And that is every 8 corner piece. And how many edges? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And firstly, corner piece have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. But second middle layer has not middle layer, that's called edges. These are edges of this cube. This is the edges, and like this, they are how many? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. So means in 3 by 3 total edges are 12 edges piece of their cube. And how many centers? 1. This is called centerpiece. 1 center, 2 center, 3 center, 4 center, 5 center, and 6 center. How many colors? White, yellow, blue, red, green, orange. And what is opposite color of white? That's called yellow. What is opposite of red? That is orange. And what is blue? That is green. That is like this cube, your cube. Yellow, blue, red, green, orange, and white. And that is corner piece, total 8 corner piece of their cube and 12 piece. I teach and I tell you, I teach 2 types of method. There are 2 types of method of solving cube. That is, first is beginner method to you when you solve first time. So you learn beginner method. If you know how to solve from beginner, you and firstly I sample how to you solve in beginner. Firstly, you know that firstly you making cross like this, that is making cross. Then you make solve first layer of cube. How to solve this? Firstly I tell like this. I'm solving. That's I solve first layer of your cube. I solve first layer. Then I solve second layer of cube. That is very beginner method of how to solve cube. And then I teach fastly how to solve fastly cube. You solve two layers of cube. Then in this board top you make L I like this. This is equal I making it cross. Then you solve this cube. So in next video I teaching in so basic how to solve cube with intuitive method, means without any algorithm. If I teach algorithm without any easy way to solve this cube, and I tell when you solve first two layer, they have no any algorithms in this cube how to solve. Then when you solve this upper layer, then you know some very two or three algorithms learn this cube. And I learn how to solve like this to this. That is advanced method of solving cube. So I solve this cube. If you like this, if you that is like, please share this video and share to your cuber friend to solve how to solve cube in 1 minute. And I tell to you, if you want some more long video, please comment in comment section. So bye guys, take care. Please like, share, subscribe this video.